6000, 28 center, good line.
Clear land 28 center on board 3478.
American 1566 Tower, wind 10014, traffic depart 22 left, 28 center, clear to land.
Clear land 28 center, American 1566.
Air 1863 Heavy, turn left heading 180, 22 left, lift, take off.
Left heading 180, runway 22 left, cleared for takeoff, pilot 363 Heavy.
1814 Tower, caution, Tourism Levy 747 departing, traffic off the land, 28 center, 22 left, line up and waiting.
22 left, line up and waiting, United 1814.
Make 2 right turn, pop it off, golf, full 2 right.
Upper Gulf Golf, share 28 right, American 3227.
Once you're heavy on her tower, wind 100 at 6. 22 left, 22 center, to the land. Yeah, 920 Heavy Tower, contract German Control, Heavy 777, number 4 on the approach now, wind 100 at 6, 22 center, to the land. Tower, wind 105, running future left line of blade, expect 2 level and 2 center.
Only just the left AC, that's 640.
And then 497 Heavy, hold short running 28 right at golf, golf.
We saw the runway 28 out to golf, golf, and then 497.
And on 497 Heavy, monitor tower on 132.7.
What monitor 132.7 and then 497.
Airmax 686, make your return, taxi via Papa, golf, hold short, and do it right.
Okay, taxi via Papa, golf, and hold short, Juliet, make sure 686.
Airmax 686, hold short, and do it right at golf.
Alright, hold short, Juliet right, on golf, make sure 686.
C 26 motors climbing 3,000 or 5,000. That's Dawn Tower, 1827. Okay, Airmax 686, make the next right turn and hold short lane 28 right at Delta Delta.